Are you tired of searching endlessly for the Add to Cart widget in Elementor? Learn the exact clicks to add your WooCommerce Add to Cart button in under 4 minutes. I'll walk through the exact clicks. Open Home in Elementor, highlight the area, find the WooCommerce Add to Cart widget, and activate it with one upgrade. First, go to the Pages list and edit your home page with Elementor. Once you're in, just click on the highlight. Then, click on WooCommerce in the panel. And from there, click on Add to Cart to insert the widget. Next, click on the prompt that says Use Add to Cart widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Then, go ahead and click on Upgrade Now. And finally, click on Upgrade Now one more time. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.